Hey everyone, welcome back to Just Recipes, the only channel dedicated to giving you clear, accurate recipes for the meals you love. But before we go on, please support us by liking, subscribing, and dropping a comment to push our video to you and potential community members. Let's get right into it. Today's recipe is a rich, moist fruit cake, and this quantity will make 1 9-inch fruit cake. For our ingredients, we will start with our dry ingredients. 1 3/4 cups, 10 grams all-purpose flour, 1.5 teaspoons baking powder, 1/2 teaspoon salt, 1.5 teaspoons cinnamon, 1/2 teaspoon ginger, 1/4 teaspoon nutmeg, 1 teaspoon allspice. For the wet ingredients, we will be using 3/4 cup 170 gram unsalted butter, 3/4 cup 150 grams soft brown sugar, 2 cups 350 grams mixed dried fruit, 1/2 cup 100 grams chopped dates, 2/3 cup 166 grams sweetened orange juice, 1.5 tablespoons orange zest, 2 tablespoons 36 gram molasses, 1/4 cup 52 grams vegetable oil, 3 large eggs, 1 cup 100 grams walnut. For the step-by-step baking procedure, step 1. Prepare your pan and oven. Preheat oven to 150 degrees Celsius or 302 degrees Fahrenheit. Line a 9-inch round pan with parchment paper. Step 2. Cook the fruit mixture. In a large saucepan on medium heat, you add butter, brown sugar, mixed dried fruit, chopped dates, sweetened orange juice, orange zest, molasses. Stir and let the mixture melt and simmer for 5 to 7 minutes until fruits soften. Remove from heat and let it cool completely for 15 to 20 minutes. Step 3. You mix dry ingredients. In a separate bowl, whisk together your flour, baking powder, salt, cinnamon, ginger, nutmeg, allspice, and set that aside. Step 4. Once the fruit mixture has cooled, add the vegetable oil. Add eggs one at a time, mixing well after each addition. Step 5. Pour the dry mixture into the wet fruit mixture. Fold gently with a spatula until fully combined. Do not overmix. Add walnuts and fold in. Step 6. Pour batter into the prepared pan. Smooth the top with a spatula. Bake for 1 hour to 1 hour 15 minutes. Cake is ready when a skewer inserted in the center comes out clean. The top is firm and golden. Step 7. Let cake cool in the pan for 20 minutes. Transfer to a wire rack to cool completely. Allow the cake to rest overnight for a deeper flavor. Thanks for watching. Come back anytime you need accurate recipes. There's always another recipe waiting for you.